Recently, the J10C fighter jet became famous in one battle, shooting down 6 Indian Rafale fighter jets at the cost of 0 combat losses. What ability made this fighter jet instantly become the focus of international news? Today, let us get to know the J10C that achieved excellent results in its first battle. The J10C is a third-generation supersonic fighter developed by China. It has a maximum speed of 1.8 Mach, a maximum flight altitude of 10 miles, a minimum flight altitude of only 150 inches, and a combat range of 1,600 miles. Secondly, in terms of radar systems, the J10C is equipped with China's own phased array radar with a detection range of more than 150 miles. It can track 16 air targets at the same time and give priority to attacking the 6 most threatening targets. In addition, the pilot of the J10C can lock the target by shaking his head, which greatly reduces the burden on the pilot. Finally, the J10C also has top-notch full Army linkage capabilities. In this battle, when the Indian Rafale fighter took off, the Chinese radar had already locked the target and controlled the J10C 120 miles away to launch missiles. When it tried to escape, the Chinese early warning aircraft was able to complete the final guidance 170 miles away and successfully guided the missile to shoot it down.